How to change date and time in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Start menu, then go to Settings. After that, go to Time and Language, double click on it, then go to Date and Time. Now, select Set Time Zone automatically, and from here now you will be able to change time manually like this. So that's how you do it. You can also change your language and region. Go to date and time, and from here, as I said earlier, you will be able to change date and time if you set your time zone and remove your time zone automatic. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.